Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 4.4 in the chapter Geometry. Question number 1. Find the type of lines marked in thick lines. In figure 1, the lines marked in thick lines or parallel lines. In figure 2, the thick lines or parallel lines. In figure 3, in roller, the thick lines are marked as parallel to each other and perpendicular lines. In scissor, the lines marked in thick lines or intersecting lines. Question number 2. Find the parallel and intersecting line segments in the picture given below. The parallel lines are given in this figure are YZ and DC, YD and XC, YZ and DE, YD and ZE, ZV and EA, ZE and VA, VW and AB, VA and WB, WB and XC, WX and BC. And then intersecting lines in the given figure are AB, AE and AV, BA, BC and BW, CB, CX and CD, DC, DE and DY, EA, EZ and ED, XC, XY and XW, YZ, YX and YD, ZY, ZE and ZV, VA, VW, VZ, WB, WV and WX are the given intersecting lines in this figure. Question number 3. Name the following angles as shown in the figure. Question number 1. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 2 plus angle 3, and finally angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Subdivision 1. Angle 1 equal to angle CBD or angle DBC. Subdivision 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle DBE or angle EBD. Angle 3 equal to angle ABE or angle EBA. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle CBE or angle EBC. Subdivision 5. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to angle ABD or angle DBA. Subdivision 6. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to angle ABC or angle CBA. Question number 4. Measure the angles of the given figures using protractor and identify the type of angle as acute, obtuse, right or straight angles. Question number 1. In the figure, the angle of the given figure is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree is known as right angle. The angle of this question number 2, the angle of the given figure is less than 90 degree. So the angle is an acute angle. Question number 3. The angle of the given figure is equal to 180 degree. The angle of straight line is equal to straight angle which is equal to 180 degree. Question number 4. The angle of given figure is equal to greater than 90 degree. So the angle is obtuse angle. Question number 5. Draw the following angles using the protractor. Question number 1. The given angle is equal to 45 degree which is less than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle. So the angle AOB is an acute angle. Question number 2. The given angle is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree is greater than 90 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. Now we draw the angle ONM is an obtuse angle. Question number 3. The angle of the figure equal to 65 degree which is less than 90 degree. So we draw the figure F, the angle FOR is an acute angle. Question number 4. The given angle is 135 degree. 135 is greater than 90 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. Now we draw the figure BCD with angle 135 is an obtuse angle. Question number 5. 0 degree. 0 degree is known as zero angle. So the angle of the figure OAB is at 0 degree. So the line OA lies on line OB which forms 0 angle. Question number 6. 180 degree is known as straight angle. So the figure, the angle AOB which forms a straight angle 180 degree. Question number 7. 38 degree. 38 degree is less than 90 degree. It is an acute angle. Now we draw angle ABC with 38 degree acute angle. Question number 8. 90 degree. 90 degree is known as right angle. Now we draw D, E, F is a right angle which is equal to 90 degree. Students, I hope you have understood the sums given in exercise 4.4. Thank you.